So do you know what your competitors' categories are in their Google business profile? And you might be going, no, but why should I care? Well, I don't know if they're outranking you, and if they're outranking you for certain keywords, you might want to do it. Another hack is to make sure that the categories inside your Google business profile and then the services within the categories match a page on the website exactly. That works. It's working for people. It's working for people better than blogs. I wanted to show you this tool though. It's called GMBeverywhere, and I think it's a cool tool. You can get a free version of it just to mess with it. I went ahead and signed up for the $30 per month plan, and you can cancel at any time, and it's easy to cancel, unlike some of these software programs that make the button to cancel invisible. But this is just something cool if you want to find out what your competitors are doing. And I just picked real estate agents in Charleston. Okay, that's what I did. So I'm just looking in Charleston, South Carolina, real estate agents. So I added real estate agents for active 55 plus senior communities. Okay. And here I've got the list. Now, if I am a real estate agent in this area, then what I want to do is I want to see, especially the people that are outranking me, I want to see what they have going on in their Google business profile. Okay, so this tool will allow you to do that. Let's just say that Overture West, their categories is apartment, rental, agency, apartment complex. Okay, you can push this Find More button, and it will give you more related categories that maybe you didn't think about. Okay, this one's listed as a real estate consultant. Okay, so I think you get what I'm saying. If you go ahead and push the AI button in this, you have all of these features. So you can do all of these things inside your Google business profile. They still have GMB, which is Google My Business, but Google Business Profile is the new name, and you can do all of these things. I've messed around a little bit with it. I'm not a big fan of totally AI. From everything I've heard, Google's onto that too, and they're penalizing people. So just beware of that. But another thing you can do is you can do what's called a teleport feature here with this, and you can enter the search term that you want. All right, so that's a kind of a different keyword, but we'll go ahead and do that. You can select the business and then drop your pen wherever. It's kind of whatever you want to do. So teleport me here. And so it's going to tell you that Cooper River Villages is ranked #1 at this location. I mean, the pin's right there for 55 plus senior community real estate. And then it's going to tell you over here. So if we would move the pin, it would have been better, but it's going to give you all of the other people here. Okay, all of the rank. So that's real handy. I think that's really handy. You can go check those keywords. So hopefully that helps you. If it did, please give me a like or a subscribe. I'm going to keep trying to use some of these tools. I'm a very tiny agency. My goal isn't to get super huge. My goal is to help people and to kind of break down different topics. And if you've used this tool before, then by all means, comment about it and let people know how it's helped you. And we'll keep going. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.